Hello friends, today we have another medicine. Name is Ascoril Drop. Ascoril Drop manufactured by Placemark Pharmaceutical Limited. The salt composition is ambroxol, leosalbutamol, Colpaxin. Used in the drop for the cough with mucus. This how the Ascoril Drop works. Ascoril Drop is combination of three medicines: ambroxol, leosalbutamol, and Colpaxin, which relieve the cough with mucus. Ambroxol is mucolyte, which thin and loosen the mucus, making easier to cough out. Leosalbutamol is bronchodilator. It works by relaxing the muscles in the airway and wide airway. Colpaxin is an expectorant which decreases the thickness of mucus and helps the remove from the airway. Together they work breather easier. Ascoril Drop side effects are nausea, may cause vomiting, diarrhea, stomach upset, dizziness, headache, rashes, tremor, muscle cramp, increase in heart rate. Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Check the label of direction before use. Measure it with the marker dropper provided you. This marker dropper and Ascoril Drop may be taken with or without food, but it's better to take it at fixed time. Ascoril Drop may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Please consult your doctor. Ascoril Drop should be used with caution in patients with kidney diseases. Dose adjustment of Ascoril Drop may be needed. Please consult your doctor. Limited information available for this drop. The Ascoril should be used with caution in patients with liver diseases. Dose adjustment may be needed. Please consult your doctor. Limited information about this Ascoril is available. It can take by children and also elder peoples. And the manufacturing date and some information given. 1 year manufacturing expiry is available. Please take it fresh stock or fresh medicine. If you use in within 2 to 3 months, is better. It gives a better effect. And price is about 44 Indian rupees. And I will show you some other information. Price 44 rupees. Manufactured by Placemark Pharmaceutical Limited. Marketed in India. These are some information given. The dropper, measuring dropper is also provided by the company. This is a measuring dropper. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share, and please press bell notification icon to get our new videos. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.